If you want to add a fast managed database to your web application without setting up external servers, in this video I'll show you how. In this one we're setting up the database. We'll provision and connect environment variables to this project and query data in your code. So first we need to create a database directly inside your Vercel project dashboard. Okay, so log into Vercel, open up your project dashboard, then click on the Storage tab, right here on the left, and then click Create a Database. And select Postgres. Let's choose this, Create. Accept the terms, choose a database region closest to your serverless functions for minimal latency, and click Create. Okay, choose the region. I will choose Frankfurt. Continue. And then you can just link your new database to your application code. So once created, click Connect Project right here. Once created, you can click Connect Project to automatically attach the database connection strings to your Vercel deployment. This injects variables like Postgres URL and Prisma URL directly into your environment strings settings. To work locally on your machine, open your terminal in your project directory and run Vercel env pool env.local. That's it, your database is now linked and configured. Enjoy.